YouTube, SensorStack Forum here, and in this video we will show you the 3 best methods to uninstall this or any other particular software in Windows. And without further ado, let's get to the video. Method 1. For this method, you're gonna go ahead at your search bar and just type add or remove programs. After that, click on the result above. This will show you all of the currently installed applications on your Windows. In order to find the application that you're looking for to uninstall it, simply type it in the search above. Then select the 3 dots and hit uninstall. Proceed by confirming and following the instructions for uninstall for this particular software. After it's done, it will say completed. Method 2. For this method, we're going to use the power of a professional software that not only uninstalls the program, but also makes sure that there are no leftover files. Now what you need to do is click at the link in the description of the video and then click the download button to download the software. It should automatically start downloading, and as soon as it does, you just open it and just follow the simple installation guide by agreeing to the agreement and installing it. After the software has been installed, it will automatically launch, and what you need to do is go over and click on Malware PC Scan and then go to Custom Scan. As you can see here, the registry option is already ticked. Most programs leave registry entries behind after they get uninstalled, and this program will make sure that they are completely gone from your device. For safety measures, we have decided to click all of the other vulnerabilities and malware so the scan can be effective. After the scan is complete, you see that the same software that we uninstalled earlier has leftover files in your computer system, and these files should be gotten rid of. As you can see, there are many types of files that are also malicious as well from other threats on this device, and if you want to remove all of them, all that you have to do is select all of the files and then go ahead and click on next. After that, select all of the objects and the software will apply all of the fixes and the repairs. As you can see, the issues have been remediated and the software is completely uninstalled from your device. Method 3. For this method, you're gonna go ahead and open your search bar, after which you're gonna type Control Panel. Then click on it. When you do open it, at the bottom you will locate Uninstall a Program. Click on it, and here you can see all of the programs currently installed on your device. Simply select the program that you want to delete and then click Uninstall Change button. Then follow the instructions, and when it's done it will say completed. This is how you uninstall software from Windows. Thank you for watching, guys. In case you have found this video useful and want to know about more guides, make sure to like and subscribe. It means a lot for our channel and you help support our work.